everyone, Sherry here. Today I have another package that Vancasso sent over for me to unbox and review. So let's check it out. Well packaged, a box inside a box with some pillow packets. So here we have a box from Vancasso. I'm excited. So here we have the Bohemian Style dinner plates. These are so pretty. There's 6 of them, and they're all a different design. They are very vibrant. They will make a perfect addition to your dinner table. These have high quality ceramic. They are resistant to chipping and breakage. These have a very nice glaze to keep them glossy and smooth, so you can keep these beautiful designs for many years to come. They are lead-free, so they won't absorb odors or bacteria. So that will keep your family healthy. I like that idea. These are so bright and vibrant that you can have them for parties or just as a family meal. They also come in various sizes, from large dinner plates down to the small appetizer plates. So you can build up and have a complete set of these nice Bohemian style dinnerware. So let's check the size, shall we? These are a nice size. They're 10.5 inches. And you can use these for someone with a large appetite and fill their plate up like at Thanksgiving. You can also use these for a relish tray, or you can also have breads or desserts on them to put in the middle of the table. They are very versatile. So these are oven safe, dishwasher safe, and microwavable. So I'm going to make something good, and then I will show you a nice table setting with what I've made. A nice dinner, main dish, bread, and dessert. These plates are very versatile, and I really like them. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.